Intro. Welcome back to Auto SG. Today we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Toyota Prado. Whether you're a fan of off-roading or just need a reliable family SUV, this model has generated a lot of buzz, so let's get right into it. The 2025 Toyota Prado boasts a bold and robust exterior. With its sculpted lines and aggressive stance, it exudes confidence on and off the road. The front fascia features a larger grille, giving it a more commanding presence. The LED headlights not only enhance visibility but also add a modern touch. Overall, it strikes a perfect balance between ruggedness and sophistication. Under the hood, the Prado is equipped with a powerful engine that promises both performance and efficiency. The turbocharged options deliver impressive torque, making it ideal for towing and off-road adventures. With its advanced 4-wheel system, you can expect excellent traction and control, whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rough terrains. Now, let's step inside the 2025 Prado. The interior is a blend of luxury and functionality. High-quality materials are used throughout, giving it an upscale feel. The spacious cabin comfortably seats up to 7 passengers, making it perfect for family trips. In terms of technology, the Prado doesn't disappoint. It features a large infotainment touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration. The premium sound system enhances your driving experience, whether you're on a long journey or just commuting. Safety is a top priority, and the 2025 Prado comes loaded with advanced safety features. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, Toyota's suite of safety technologies helps keep you and your passengers protected. Additionally, the solid build quality of the Prado adds an extra layer of reassurance. For those who value practicality, the cargo space in the Prado is commendable. With the rear seats folded down, you have ample room for all your gear. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or just running errands, the versatility of the interior space is a major plus. Now, let's talk about pricing. The expected price for the 2025 Toyota Prado is around $55,000 to $70,000, depending on the trim and additional features. While it's on the higher end for SUVs, the combination of reliability, luxury, and off-road capability makes it a worthy investment. To wrap it up, the 2025 Toyota Prado is shaping up to be a fantastic option for anyone in the market for a dependable and versatile SUV. With its striking design, impressive performance, and advanced technology, it's sure to make waves in the automotive world. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates from Auto SG. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.